These little bags will save your plants. Instead of asking neighbors for help, I use this simple trick. Fill regular sandwich bag with water. Choose the size to match your plant's needs. Make a few extras just in case. Tie them tightly so nothing leaks. Then use a toothpick to poke a few small holes on one side of each bag. Just a few holes are enough for it to work properly. Place the prepared bags in the pots, right at the soil next to the plants. From that moment, they start working. It's a clever way to water your plants when you're not home. The water will slowly seep out and keep the soil moist for several days. Perfect for trips away. Cheap, simple, and effective. Your plants will stay well watered and beautiful even when you're not around. Try this easy trick and see how convenient it is to care for your indoor greenery. To try and watch your plants thrive effortlessly.